number 25, that's Albert Corrado. He's out of Riverside. Next to Albert, the number 99, James Keller out of Rupa Valley, sponsored by Harley's Custom Cycles and Well & Sons Racing. He comes in tonight, currently second in the championship point standing. Row number 2 on the inside, number 26 out of Manabee, that's Chris Carnes, the defending champion. He's sponsored by Harley's Custom Cycles, Well & Sons Racing, and Aaron Automotive. Outside Carnes will be the 3K car, that's Nick Kelly out of Reno Valley, sponsored by Hoops Transmission, Cool as Ice, that's UK's Cool as Ice, and Just Pawn It. Row number 3, the 12 cars on the inside, that's Chicken Joe out of Lake Elsinore, sponsored by HPP Communication Incorporated, and the 16 car, that is Casey Maltmont out of Lake Elsinore, sponsored by Merritt Motors and BMG Landscape, a 4th grade school teacher. I think a good amount of her students are in the stands here tonight. And row number 4, that's the back row on the inside, number 42. Champion 2 years ago, that's David Stites out of Canyon Lake, sponsored by Well & Racing, and the number 33 car, as Hale Stillman out of Riverside. He's sponsored by Tywell Auto Parts. This is an entry-level class conversation. It's good at times. Here we go. On turn number 4. Free flat, go back to stuff. Turn number 1. And it's Keller on the outside. He'll lead him off turn 2. Here comes Rosado. Rosado, his first race here with Class Ball. This is only his 3rd race, I believe. That's the car in 75. First place, 75. Almost 3 abreast. Car is tight, pushing through the corners. That means it's hard to turn. Check out the car in 6. That's Peyton Griffin. She's the goalie for the Golden West College soccer team out of Costa Mesa. She's also on the track. Chicken Joe running in 7. Now here comes Stites, the 42 car from the back. He's now trying to take 3rd away from Chris Carnage. Halfway, 3 down, 3 to go. Take off Corrado. They have to deal with Stites. Problems for Carnes, 26 car slowing, heading back to the pit area. Dick Kelly's the inside of Corrado. They almost make contact. Yeah, problems for Kelly in 3K. Oh, if you can't get off the racetrack, you will have to go. You've got to require the car to stall. Now we get to require. 5 down, inside, 5, 3 to go. Here comes David. From the back, the 42 out front. That's the champion from 2 years ago. We've lost 1/4 of the field. Get down a little bit more. Sponsors your Avenir Stites Real Estate. See your billboard on the back straight on. 1 to go. And the soccer goalie does a slide around Gerardo. Move her up to 3rd. You'll see her daddy racing later in the night. He's been racing since the days of Ascot. Checker flag coming down this time. 5. The number 4. The back row, David Stites. Second is Kelly Worth. Colorado. And 5th is going to go to Chicken Joe. 3:10.94 the time on the 1st. Factory stock heat ring. Mr. Tom Gillen. Tom, take it away when you're ready.
Well, you know these guys, they got to get all pretty fight and get their hair all straight. Mr. Sight's not bad. Not a bad run. He's a little nervous. There he is. So did it do everything you wanted it to do?
Yeah, you know, after hot lapping, we heard a ticking, and this is a new motor. This is brand new tonight. So we had the valve covers off while they were doing the salute on the front, and we said, hey, let's just send it, see if it keeps ticking. And I think the ticking went away. So I don't know if we did something right or something wrong, but I want to thank my sponsors, Well & Sons Racing, Melody Ty, Super James. Got to thank my beautiful wife for being here today. She's due in 29 days. And
strong woman.
Yeah, my kids are here tonight. They're going to yell at me if I don't say anything. Sam and Tyler, I love you guys. Dad, Betsy, love you. Thanks for being here. We'll see what brings on the main. I love the conditions of the track right now. Coach and Don always do a bang-up job getting it ready for us, and I liked it.
Good car count tonight too, so there'll be some good rubbing.
Yeah, you know, I had a little bit more rubbing last race than I would have preferred, so if it's okay with you, I'm going to try to keep it clean.
There you go. David Stites, it's our winner of our first heat race.
We go to heat race number 2 for the factory stock. Your lineup goes like this. Starting on the pole with 77 on the minute. He's not by 51.59. And looks like Hager and Graves with them. And that's Joseph Matt. Outside Joseph is number 32 on the Temecula, Kevin Perris. Row number 2 on the 48 car. Joseph is an open leader that's going to go to the point. CBTMD, inside field, and that's taking the rain. We're staying in that road. Number 56 car, sponsored by Rivera Towing, out of Perris. The next to last row on the inside, number 16 street car. That is Casey Malta. He's got a lake out on the Merit Motors, the big landscape. And the 21J car, Braxton James, out of Yakaipa, sponsored by a DSC landscape. Rounding out the number 88 car, the Polish war. Already the rain now. Broken in the right front. Look how it's not broken. Out front, the guy wanted to choose only the main event. That's the corner into the ring. Side of the wall. And they take it to the pass. Does. Only her second time driving that car. This is the Polish one. Number 88, United legal maneuvers and tasks type racing.
towards the eastern range.
That's a real front movement. Forward on the field. The big goes to David your range. Second is the Polish boy. Third is the big field. Small front. Back. Fifth is James. Sixth is Perris. We go now to time on that train.
Wow, that worked out pretty good.
Oh yeah, that was fun.
Any trouble getting through everybody, or what'd you think?
No, it was good. Just right off the get-go, I was able to find an open spot and just punched it and went for it. So, track feels good, car feels good. I'm excited to put on a good show tonight.
We got a good car count tonight. Track's good, and you gonna change anything before you come back out, or leave it alone?
I'm gonna leave it alone. I feel very good about my setup right now, and I'm ready to go.
There you go, Scott. These guys are confident tonight, I'm telling you. Congratulations, sir.